Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Know the phone model, Android version, and the Google account email tied to the device. Once done, make sure the battery is above 30% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads succeed. Next, try the first actionable step. At the lock screen, tap Forgot Password, or try 5 failed attempts until that option appears. Google's recovery flow or safe mode options will unlock further choices. Keep your secondary device or backup PIN nearby for verification. Once you reach account recovery, sign in with your Google account and complete verification. Use two-step verification codes, backup email, or SMS one-time codes. These restore credential control without data loss if the device accepts your sign-in. If signing in succeeds, use Find My Device to set a new lock or remotely erase if necessary. If verification is impossible, boot to recovery mode and perform a factory reset. This erases data but removes the lock. Make sure you understand the data loss trade-off before resetting. You finish by signing in after reset with the same Google account used previously. This satisfies factory reset protection and allows setup. Once logged in, restore your cloud backup and configure a new strong password, PIN, or biometric unlock. Use a password manager if desired. If the phone still rejects credentials or you hit FRP block, contact the device manufacturer or your carrier for account-specific help, or visit an authorized service center. They can verify ownership and guide next steps without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.